Hello, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful evening. I hope you had a great trading day today. And let's go ahead and go over really quick over the SPY. You can see we came to hit this resistance right here. And today we formed a doji candle on the daily with some nice bearish volume there. But we did have a run at the end of the day. Okay, so let's take a look at that. And the reason that we bounced is because we had a support right here on SPY. And we bounced right off of it. Let me go to a 10-minute. Yeah. So you can see the SPY here coming to the support. Let me clean this up really quick. And today I was bearish on the SPY. On the 1 hour, played some puts on it, and it just slowly bled all day until the end of the day here. And I was with on voice with one of the members on the Discord, and I say, hey, you know what? We're hitting some support here on on the hourly. I'm gonna take a lotto call here, see if we can bounce. You can bounce, and right after the market close, we bounced up. So let's see how that turns out tomorrow. We did form a doji on the daily, so let's see if we break above or if we break below. Okay, if we do break above the doji tomorrow, resistance is gonna be around this area again. All right, so anywhere around this area we might reject, or if tomorrow we break below, we'll probably just continue to bleed in the market, and we'll form a candle right below. So let's keep an eye out for that. So indecision candle here, we play to the upside or to the downside, whichever we break tomorrow. What is up, Jay? Yes, Jay, we have a Discord, and you can join us at Discord. The link is on the description below. And as a matter of fact, remember Steven. Yeah, Steven joined us this week, so he's been on there with us. And I go live on voice on the Discord 30 minutes before the market opens, and then when the market opens, I'm there for the first 2 hours until lunchtime, and then we we take a break. I come back after. But yeah, man, if you want to join us, the link's down below. We're there, my friend. So SPY, I mean, that's how we traded SPY today. I traded to the downside, and we formed a doji after hours. Yeah, Charlie's the one that was on voice with me there in the afternoon. I was like, Charlie, you want to have some fun, man? Let's take a lotto call here. Just for fun. We had already done great the rest of the day. So we did it on that one in PayPal. Let me show you PayPal. So I'll tell you why I took a lotto on PayPal. Because you see this weekly low right here, right at resistance, right? Look at that, right at resistance. I'm sorry, guys, this is late. Right at support. Okay, you see that we're hitting right at support on the weekly, and I was there with Charlie. I'm like, Charlie, you know what? Take a lotto call there. See if we can hit something tomorrow. Remember, lotto calls, guys. It's more of a gamble. It's it's a hit or miss. But you, like I was explaining to Charlie, I try to take them either on support or resistance. We're hitting resistance. We'll take puts, of course. But this was a major support on the weekly and on PayPal, and I'm like, you know what, we might bounce off of here tomorrow, or they'll release some type of news or something, right? Because it's just a coincidence, right? Every time we're in a major support, they release some kind of catalyst or something to make it bounce. But we'll see. I mean, nothing's certain, but it's just something to have fun with. So we'll see. We did it. I mean, it did started bouncing here with the market at the day, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. And a snap paid well today. Anybody that was in for earnings, you can see Snap. You know, long term, I was waiting for Snap to come this level, but we were hitting this support here on the weekly. Remember, all resistance becomes support, so that's where we're hitting on Snap. So bounced pretty hard with earnings, did well, and that brought up I believe Facebook. And let's see, guys. So SPY, that's what I'm looking at tomorrow. And then the Qs did well too. You know, faded all day, and we're over here. Yeah, also remember the Q, guys, we had support up, resistance up here. We almost hit our target, and then today was a kind of a downtrend day, and that's exactly what I explained in the videos, that we're hitting a lot of resistance on this uptrends. And I thought yesterday we were gonna come down. And remember, I told you on NVDA we've had this type of runs before. You see this 1 2 3 4, same thing with this 1 2 3 4. So that's why I say you shouldn't get your hopes up that this is a recovery, because we could just, you know, reject again and come down. So it's not over until we get over this down daily downtrends. Then if we get above, like I explained yesterday, we get above, guys, and then test the trend, and then, oh my gosh, and then you know, up we go. That's, to me, that's a legit reversal right there for the market to rebound. But until we keep below this trend, and all the stocks have this downtrend on the daily that we need to get above. So that's that, guys. So tomorrow, you know, it's indecision here. Usually we have like a red bar, or we're coming down like this. I can easily tell you, okay, the probabilities are very high that we're going to continue to the downside. But because we have very low bearish volume here, but the trend is still going to the top. I mean, it's still momentum is still kind of shifting, all right, to the upside. So we'll see. We might break again, and we might reject here again, and then Monday continue falling. So we'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But either way, indecision doji candle, we play the break the top, we play the break the bottom, or we look at the 1 hour tomorrow and see what kind of trend we're breaking, and we'll play that at the open. So a lot of different things you can do to have a successful trade there. So tomorrow I am going to be watching a Snap. Again, people are going to take profits at the open. You know, everybody that's up on Snap. But if we can get some sort of you know, support on Snap, you know, and consolidates, and then, you know, move to the upside, I will be looking for that. Okay, so Snap will be looking for that tomorrow. Also, what did we hit? 38. Okay, so so we went up to 38.81, guys. You know where that's at? It's right there, right? That daily trend line that I've been talking about. Okay, that's where we hit after hours. So I don't know. We'll see the trend in the morning. This might in the in the morning. Some puts can probably work to the downside. People are gonna take profits. So we'll see if it's rejecting here. Pre-market, see what's pre-market is doing, and then we'll play accordingly. Okay, so we'll keep that on watch. We hit that 38.81 right there, around this area. So watching Amazon as well. We'll be watching Amazon. Amazon came to 32.78, which is actually hit 32.93. Whoa, we're way up here on Amazon, right? So we're at this resistance. So Amazon, if we go to the 50-minute, you'll see, right, 3,300. So pretty close to this area. Except remember that the chart doesn't update till tomorrow on the daily. Uh, so, man, so Amazon, keep on watch. I mean, if it comes back to this trend right here, guys, right, and we form some kind of doji and get a reversal on that, that would be nice. So if it sells off in the morning, right, tomorrow's Friday, so tomorrow a lot of calls are cheap. You know, you can get something here for a rebound to the upside. So if Amazon were to give something back, that's too much for Amazon. I'm on the daily, so maybe around this area, 30. You know what? Just make it easier. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, so around 29. Yeah, so we came here, and then after we bounced up. So any type of support around this area, right? This areas, look for a doji and a reversal tomorrow. So we'll keep that on watch. Tomorrow pre-market, we'll do an analysis and see what we can do. So watching Amazon tomorrow. Some things that are moving as well. Cost, look at this real nice uptrend on the 1 hour, right, on Costco. Really nice, right? So we're getting above. Look at this one, it's beautiful. We've been uptrending, we're getting above the EMAs here. All right, we don't have stacked EMAs, means we're not, our EMAs haven't crossed yet, but this is looking real pretty on Costco. Okay, so keep that one on watch, put it on your watch list. Another one is PENN. Okay, this one has gotten beat down, but you know, we have these targets that we can potentially hit. All right, we broke that daily trend line on this one. All right, so we can move to the upside. Google. Oh, Google just shot up like a rocket with earnings. So Google, let's keep this one on watch. You can get some calls tomorrow. They'll be cheaper because it's Friday, but look at this 1 hour right here. Okay, if this 1 hour breaks to the upside, okay, if this 1 hour breaks to the upside, it can squeeze. Okay, and this is what I'm talking about. If we go to Tesla today, okay, let me see if I can clean it up so you can see it better on Tesla. That's a bit. See this trend here, okay, and we squeezed at the open. All right, you see momentum right here shifting. It started shifting before we squeezed. And let me show you another one. Okay, you see this on the 1 hour right here, momentum starting to shift. Right, as soon as market opens, we shoot up. So that's what we can watch on Google. As long as Google trends here on the pre-market, right? It trends, and then at the open we'll squeeze. So Google, good one to watch tomorrow. All right, we squeeze, the setup's there. All right, at the open, gonna have a nice move to the upside. Okay, so Adobe, another one that I'm watching, the daily. We're starting to get above the EMAs on this one. Momentum shifting. We did close on their volume to the bounce side, but we're holding support there. So anything above this daily close can work. So we'll keep that one on watch. We'll look at the hourly, see how it sits up at the morning, in the morning. And then finally we have QCOM. Okay, QCOM been doing well. Look at this. And it's been holding up well. The 1 hour, how's it looking? Yeah, so we're kind of consolidating here. So keep those on watch, put them in your watch list. That's all I got, guys. Oh, and did we go over DWAC? Yeah, so keep this one on watch, guys. DWAC. If we can get through this 91, okay. If not tomorrow, this coming week, we have a trend up here. You see that trend right here? That's what we're aiming for. All right, so keep an eye on it. Let's see what the hour looks like. Okay, so tomorrow, if we touch this trend to the upside, okay? So right here, right there's support. I'm gonna put an alert here. DWAC comes there, I'm gonna take some calls. Come on, what is going on? All right, DWAC comes here. I'm gonna look at it, see how it's holding up, and we could take some calls. Depending on what time of day it is, we can take some lottos. If it's late in the afternoon, maybe you can swing something here for next week. So we'll keep that on watch. And that's all I got for today, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's kind of late. I'm tired myself. Sorry if I wasn't a little bit stuttering or not making too much sense, but hopefully you get the idea. Thank you so much for tuning in. And yeah, let's kill it tomorrow. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. They want to learn about stocks. They want to learn what to look in at charts and how to do technical analysis. And if you want to join us on the Discord, click on the link below and you can join us there. I go live on voice on Discord every pre-market and the market open. I'm there doing trades with you guys live. So join us in our growing community. Other than that, I'll see you guys. I was gonna say mañana, but see you guys on Sunday. I will do a video on Sunday. Other than that, that's it, guys. Take care. Have a great night, and I'll see you guys mañana on the Discord.